Concentrate definition, concentrate in a sentence, concentrate pronunciation, concentrate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation, concentrate. Con-cen-trate. Concentrate. Concentrate means to be focused on something you are doing. Common usages in academic writing: concentrate on, maintain concentration, improve concentration. Example sentences: concentrate verb. If you want to finish your assignments on time, then you must concentrate. The common academic writing variation is concentration, noun. Performing open heart surgery takes great concentration. Please write a sentence using concentrate in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use concentrate confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.